Hey guys, it's Justin from Outlaw Euro, and we have a shop full of M5s. Got the F90, customer E60. Need to fix that mirror right there. Of course, the Outlaw E85 M5, and the Queen, and the shop dog. So today's video isn't a DIY or a build breakdown. It's more discussion of our banners here. So 12 to 18 months ago, BMW sent out a whole bunch of cease and desist, more than Ferrari does. So they sent a whole bunch of cease and desist out to a bunch of different shops. One of them actually ended up getting sued for 120 million. Lucky for us, we were just in the cease and desist section. But we had to change our name, change our logo, change a bunch of our shirts, and a whole bunch of signage. And one of the last things we did was change the BMW Outlawz logo on the back of the 85 M5 to this Outlaw European Performance logo. So anyway, when we started the shop, we were originally BMW Outlawz, and with the name change, became Outlaw European Performance, and then Outlaw Euro on social media. So today we're gonna change the banner on the Queen first. And we're gonna go with a thicker, higher grade vinyl for it. And then we're also gonna change the stickers on the side for the Save the E60 M5, which is available on our website. So we're gonna start with removing the BMW Outlawz banner and then spacing out the letters for the Outlaw Euro and see how it looks. Alright, so we got all the vinyl off. There's still a lot of residue. Definitely gonna need some glass cleaner, maybe adhesive remover. Let's see what works. So far, this glass cleaner hasn't worked that great, so I had to use Goo Gone, which is getting all over the windshield, and then in that case, the glass cleaner does work to get that off. But yeah, it's kind of a slow process, but it's getting there. Also, I'm using this plastic razor blade, very handy. All right, got all the vinyl and the residue off. Ready to put on the new Outlaw Euro banner. All right, so day 2, it got a little late taking all the decals off, but the new Outlaw Euro decal is on. So yeah, overall I think it looks a lot better than I expected. I taped it up there and it didn't look that good, so I had Kaylee install it. She did a really good job. But yeah, now we gotta do the other M5.